Okay, first, for using this code, we can combine it using this command in GUI, and then run the program with this command. Then after we are going to our system page where they have 3 options to choose from. On display we can select one to create a user for our own flashcard, that like I create a user that like heroes, and here is our deck menu that we can see have the geography one that we provide for the user that for test or first time that using this system that can use the geography. This I will provide that for try the function that we have like display all the flashcard. In this display that we can see we have 10 questions provide, and here they have show the stat for each question. That like new is mean the question that you haven't reviewed, and never review, never reviewed. And if you review that and give a feedback like easy for E and hard for H, then that will change the stack for the question. Here we can try that like I put 3, and here every question that we need to wait 3 seconds for the user to prepare to answer the question. Then here we can see the first question, and I just put enter, and I put E, and the second question, and I put H. Okay, like the question I got something need to do, I just put Q to interrupt our review. Then here I put 1 again to and here we can see they have the one that I put easy just now and the one I put hard just now at here. Okay, all the state already renew. Okay, and then after that we also can remove the question, the card that we don't want. Like here I remove the third one, then I display again. We can see the question very discrete to 9 already. Then just now we select the question that we don't want already, cannot see it anymore. And after, if I still want the question, I just click 2 to add back the question, and here I just put the question and then the answer. Okay, after I display again, we can see the last one that just now we add the question that we added. Okay, after that you already finished to adjust your flashcard, and we can just back. Then I log in again for Kiros, and we can see is it the just now our chances is still have is it the chances have saved into the computer. Then we just try, can see the display that already changed like this hard and this easy, and the last one question, the third question already changed to the last one question, same like just now we got changed. And the other function is still the same, so I don't show it again. Then we go back and log in for Kiros again. We see this menu, they still have the function that we haven't used, like this one, the top one. We can see inside that we also have provide 6 the example flashcard for the user. Each of the deck that have 10 questions, each of the flashcard. Then like I choose the third one, then they will enter, and I show all the question is different, like just now the geography one, and all the stat is still new, we haven't revealed that. Then the other function is all the same, so I no show, and we back it again and still is Kiros. And here we can see just now I will add the all p bases that show in the second one in our deck. Can select, then we also can delete the deck to choose this, and then we just we want to delete the geography one, and here we need to confirm it that we sure, so we need to click yes, then here will show that the geography deck already delete. Then here already no more geography, just left the OP basis. Besides that, we also have design a function that the user can create the decks more customer. Like you can select the name that you want, like Matt, then or origin the deck that you want to create, there's no card inside. That's our design like that. Then you need to add the card by yourself, so like 1 times 2, the answer is 2. Then after you just can see the answer inside. Okay, no the other function that we haven't used, so I go back, and here we also can see we got a second select that's delete account. That mean we can delete the user account. At here, like I put 2, then you just key in your user account you want to delete, and then you also need to confine it by click yes. After this, the show success to delete, then all the data that for the keyros, about the keyros, they will all delete from your computer. Actually, in our system, like they will create 2 file for each user. One is for the data. But the data file is decided by the user how many that you create the deck. Like if you create 3 deck, then you will have 3 data file. Then still have the other text file that's for save the tag name for the user, then that can show the tag deck at here. Yeah, they have a tag file to save all the tag name inside, so they can display. Then no more function ready, so we just create 3 to assist the system, shut down that, and then we already finished our demo trade. So thank you.
Hello sir, my name is Wang Haozhe. So in this video, I will demonstrate our digital flashcard program developed using C++ and object-oriented programming. So the project includes both a console version and a GUI version, but this demo will focus mainly on the GUI version. So right now, I will write the command to open the GUI. Okay, so the first screen is the profile setup page. So here the user can enter the username. So for example, James. Okay, there are 3 study mode: default cards, create custom, and save tag. So for the default cards, there are like a few already stored cards here. For each deck, around 10 questions for each decks. So if user want to create a new deck, they can choose the create custom right here. So they can choose like math or any other language. So for another one is save deck. So this allow the user uh, the returning user to continue the deck that was saved earlier. So for example, if the user choose astronomy, so later on it will save the astronomy right here. So right now it's zero deck save. Okay, so let's start it. So this is the main menu. Right here you can see the focus score is 100. So James astronomy 10 cards, easy and hard with zero level with zero right now. So now I will demonstrate the add new flashcard first. So I click this and then you will see the question and answer. So I will write the question first. So the answer is the moon. I will add the flashcards. Okay, so the new card is added into the selected deck as you can see it around here. So right now I click back and then I use the display all flashcards functions. So at first the cards only have 10 cards. So right now it becomes 11 as I added the new flashcards. So this also proves that the add function works correctly. Okay, so right now I will demonstrate the review function. So before I press start, let me explain about the program. So this program shows like one question at a time, and then the answer will hide at first, hidden first. So this also allows the user to try recalling the answer before checking it. After the clicking show answer, the answer is displayed. Uh, the user can mark the cards as easy or hard. So the review session uses a 5 question format. The program priorities hard card first, followed by new cards and only uses easy cards if needed. So for example, if I press the easy first, the cards will not be repeated again until the next deck until the all the cards I reset all the difficulties. If I press hard, the question will repeat again for the next 5 questions. Okay, so let's begin. Okay, so right now you will see the 3, 2, 1 times for user to take some time to ready. So I press show answer. Okay, so right now below here you will see like time score 15 over 20. So what causes this? Okay, so for the score, it depends on how user takes the times to press the show answer. So if the user takes longer time, like maybe 5 seconds or 10 seconds or even more, the of course the score will decrease. So right now I press easy first. Okay, so another one I will press hard. Okay, so right now I will continue the the flashcard first until it finish. Okay, so it runs completely. So right now you will see the score is 95 over 100. So there are 6 new cards and 1 hard cards is remaining. So let's continue. Okay, so for this question, previously I pressed hard. So right now it will appears again. Okay, so right now I complete all the flashcard. There are 2 new cards remaining. So if I press I press continue for the next cycle, it will show the new 2 cards. So what about the 3 other cards? Okay, so it will it will reuse or randomly choose the easy cards that I already answered before. To fulfill the 5 question rules. Okay, so right now I will press back. Okay, so after the review session is complete, the program shows the score result. So right now I will press the view previous score. Okay, so this GUI will store the previous completed score so the user can view their latest performance later from the previous score page. Okay, so right now I will uh I will show the save and load feature. So I will return to the profile page and open the same save tag again using the same username. So I will write again James. Okay. So for the save tag, you will see that the astronomy already saved. So I can choose this and then I press continue. So you can see the previous score is returned, is still here, is not gone, is recorded safely. So this show that the user flashcard and review progress are saved properly. Okay, so right now I will delete a flashcard. Okay, I will say 11. I press delete. Okay, so the question that I added just now already disappeared. This also proves that the delete function is works properly. Okay, so I also added the reset all difficulties. So if the user already complete all the questions, they can reset all the difficulties right now. So you can see like right now it's 8 easy. I will reset all. It becomes 0. So back to profile. So if if user don't want to if user want to delete the accounts, so I write James save that, like delete the deck that he saved before. So I choose astronomy and delete deck. Delete. Okay, so right now the deck is deleted completely. So the program is designed using several C++ classes. Okay, so as shown, for example, the flashcard class store the question, answer, and review progress. The deck class manage multiple flashcards. The user profile class handle user and deck information. The flashcard storage class saves and loads data files. So the last one is the flashcard GUI class controls the GUI interaction. So overall, this digital flashcard program allows users to create, save, load, review, and manage flashcards through a graphical interface. So the easy and hard feedback system helps users focus more on difficult cards, making the program more useful for repeated study. So that's all for my demo video. Thank you.